Good morning, afternoon, or evening, whichever applies to you. Kenneth Baum here. I've already posted a welcome video for you to watch to get to know me and a little bit about the class. What we're going to do here today in this video is learn how to navigate Moodle. Moodle is the learning management system that we will use for the class. And it's also a good way for you to keep an eye on how well you're doing in the class, as your current total will be displayed and all your grades for your assignments. All right, so let's move right on to here and learn how to navigate Moodle. All right, so I'm going to open up Moodle right here from the web page. So here we go. Your login. All right, and then of course you'd go over here to students. I'm going over here to employee and click on Moodle. Okay, and then you got your courses, my courses, okay, and your course, let's see here, the online, let me see. Yes, I'm sorry, I have it right. Okay, the online chemistry lab right here, CHM 131A0040. So let's click on that right there. Okay, so you come up to, here's your first page for your online labs. All right, and again, we have the welcome start here. There's announcements, which you should keep an eye on. Let me get rid of this. Okay. And again, the required enrollment assignment that you have to do, you must do that by 11:30 p.m. right there by August 23rd. All right, so you have to do that. If you don't do that, you will be dropped from the course. So make sure you do that by 11:30 p.m. on August 23rd, right there. Okay, and if you just click right here and you can access that quiz. Right, and then we have some assistance, technology support, help desk here. All right, if you're having technology problems, you can contact them there, phone number and email. All right, so then next we have course information. Okay, so we have the syllabus acknowledgement statement. Okay, so what you have to do is open up the syllabus, review the syllabus, and then open up the syllabus acknowledgement statement and sign that you have done so. All right, so that is also required before you access the content of the course. All right, so we scroll down here under course information. We find here we can go to our online topic course schedule. Okay, and then you've got your lab syllabus, the syllabus for the lab portion right there, your syllabus here. Okay, and then the syllabus acknowledgement statement is right here. Okay, click on that, check the box that you have opened up and reviewed the syllabus. Here's my information with my office hours and so forth. Okay, bio, and your online lab instructions. So this would be definitely a good thing for you to review and read. The online lab instructions. This gives you an idea of how you access the online lab simulations. All right, course description and the course student learning outcomes, what you're expected to learn this semester. And then we have some other documents. Now, yes, these are the same documents that are under your CHM 131 Moodle page, right? Same documents there. And then here you have a YouTube video on Introduction to Labster Chemistry Lab Simulations. Okay, that just gives you a little overview of the labs. Okay, all right. So that is the course information. And then of course we have over here we have the tutoring, 24/7 and face-to-face. Okay, so you can access this for your tutoring information. Let's see, your lab schedule with due dates. I'm gonna go down to that. Right, so if you open it, here's the lab schedule. You're gonna have 14 lab simulations to do through the semester, and here's their due dates and their title. Okay. All right, so it looks like your first lab will be lab safety, and then about the periodic table and so forth. So here are your due dates for each lab. Okay. All right, and then here we go. We see on the left here, lab number 1, lab safety. Lab number 2, periodic table. Lab number 3, matter and phase changes. All right. I will be posting the labs throughout the semester. All right. The first 3 are already posted. However, the content is not in there yet. I'm still waiting for Labster to get that rolling for us. But if you just click on Lab 1, Lab Safety, right? Now, you don't see anything there yet because it has not been posted. But it will be posted here soon, today or tomorrow. I will have that posted. But when you go into here, you will find the lab simulation to click on, and so forth. So again, I don't have those posted yet. I'm waiting for Labster to get that rolling for us. But if you click on lab number 1, lab safety, you'll find another link that says lab number 1, lab safety, and you'll click on that. You'll click play, and it will download the simulation for you. All right. Sorry, I can't show you that right now, but I will be putting them up there very soon. All right. So I will periodically throughout the semester, about every week, I will post the new labs. So when I get closer to the 3rd week, I'll post lab 4 and then lab 5, and for a total of 14 labs. Okay. All right. Another thing too, it's like the grading section in here. Lab is worth 25% of your overall grade. Okay, so what I do is I monitor this web page for your lab grades, what grade you got on the simulation. And then I take that grade and I import it over to your CHM 131 page, right? That's where it's counted. That's where it is used to calculate your overall grade at that point. Not on this page right here, 131A. The overall grade is not computed here. The overall grade is computed on the other Moodle page, CHM 131. So after the due date of the lab, I will import your grades over to 131 where they will be counted. Okay? All right. Okay, very good. So that's really about all there is to navigating this here. I'll have the actual lab simulation links in there as soon as Labster gets that done for us. Okay, thank you, and I'll hear from you during class. Okay, bye now.